So, we got an interesting situation. First off, if you try to find the tri-foldable phone from Samsung on their website, it takes like a good 5 minutes. You gotta actually search it like by typing it in. They don't have it just like easy accessible, like on this little tab right here, which is kind of weirdly annoying, but I guess not really a big deal. But it is sold out. And here's what I'll say, right? So this is obviously the international version. I'm in the United States. This is like for America, right? I'm not too surprised that this is sold out. The rumor is, and I guess not really rumor, what Samsung is saying is they're expecting to sell over 1 million units of this device. So with a $3,000 price tag, it's difficult to see that being a real thing. I wonder how many units they're actually making. Because if they're expecting to sell over 1 million, and clearly this is sold out very quickly, I don't think that they made 1 million, and I don't think that there was 1 million units sold. I would assume there was a very limited number. Now, we know in the past, when they made the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, they made 1,000 units of that. So, and they only released that in South Korea. So, if that's the case, I'm going to assume that they made a very small amount. Now, I was on Twitter, which, probably is not something I should be doing. And Alex here, he bought two. He bought the 512 gigabyte models. Which, yeah, you guessed it, accumulates over, okay, so he doesn't have the total here for like his amount, but I guess it was at over what is that? That has to be like $6,300, which I'll be honest, I don't know why you need two, but is he a YouTuber? Hold up. Tech nerd, IT marketing specialist. No, he's not a YouTuber. Yeah, so there's going to be some people who buy them and like buy two of them just so that they can sell them, flip them, do something like that, or they just want a tri-foldable phone. Let's see how much it is on eBay. I haven't checked the secondhand market yet, just because it's so new. I mean, are people even getting these yet? Because like you buy it, right? But then they have to send it to you. Okay, so hold up. Okay, so somebody you know this guy has two? The first listing I see on eBay is for two of them. This is the first listing I see on eBay is he has, how many does this guy have listed? This guy, where's his quantity? Okay, about this product. Where's the, I don't know what the quantity is for this item, but okay, he has 3 available. Yes, this guy has 3 available. I don't think this guy is that guy, by the way, but it's kind of funny. So he has the receipt of him buying all 3 for $2,815.67, all 3 of them. So Mall of America. So he went into Mall of America, which I believe is Minnesota, right? Yeah, Minnesota, Blooming Road, Minnesota. He went in there and bought 3 Galaxy Tri-Foldable phones from the Samsung store. I was gonna say I'm surprised, one, that they actually had these in a store, right? That's kind of crazy that they actually had them in stock, like in a store. I thought they were only going to be available online. But not only that, like, I'm kind of surprised there wasn't like a situation where they like said, hey, you can't like come in here and buy all of these. You have to like buy one at a time, maybe like one per person, but I guess they want to sell them, so that's kind of how it is. He's selling it for $5,400, which, that's interesting. So There's other listings as well on eBay for these. We have some posted for $4,600, some for $3,900, some for $49. So looks like already they're doubling, tripling price, which I guess shouldn't shock me too much because this is kind of how it is whenever there's a limited amount of product on something. This one sold for $7,500. I don't think that this is legitimate. $6,000, and this person just has a pre-order confirmation or just an order confirmation, which, okay. This person was selling it for $23. Okay, so if you, this is a little side note. If you use eBay, it's a little side note. If you see 0 like this right here is a scam. This happens all the time on GPUs. If you see someone on a GPU with no feedback at all and they're posting up a product, 99% chance it's a scam. 100%, almost 100% chance it's a scam. So like 28%, 96% percentage, interesting. 10%, 100%, 142. So like, okay. But yeah, no, yeah, that's crazy, man. That's actually crazy. So like 0, this is a scam. What they do is they take pictures from other listings and then they repost the same images with the listings. So if you ever see anything up for MSRP, a GPU and any kind, or anything that's like all being scalped crazy, it's a scam. They're not going to send you the product. So what they do is they take a tracking number from somewhere in your area. They provide that, and I don't know exactly how they like maneuver it, but they do it so they trick eBay into thinking that they actually sent you something when they don't. And what ends up happening is eBay sides with them, and you don't get your money back. So it's like a stupid scam that's been going on for a while now with GPUs. But you can see right here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I mean, these people aren't even like, these scammers aren't even trying at this point. This is like literally a stock photo, man. Like you would expect it to actually be like something. And also, wait, didn't it just come out yesterday? Didn't it? Okay, so these are globals. Okay, so it said located in the United States. That's what's confusing me. Because these came out on what? The 30th in the United States. It came out on the 30th. But these right here, the international version already came out before the American version came out. But that's interesting. When was this guy's receipt? January 30th. Okay, yeah. So that's tendered on. Okay, yeah. So that's literally when it was supposed to come out, the 30th. Okay. So tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one.